Dear students, welcome to our science class. Today we can discuss about loudness and pitch. What is loudness? The sound of high amplitude is called loudness. Last class we already discussed about amplitude. What is amplitude? Amplitude. It is the number of amplitude is the number of vibrations produced by a vibrating body in 1 second is called amplitude. Amplitude is the number of vibrations produced by a vibrating body in 1 second is called amplitude. The sound of high amplitude is called loudness. Larger the amplitude of vibration, louder is the sound. അതായത് ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ് കൂടുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ചാണ് എന്താണ് സൗണ്ട് കൂടുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അതിനെയാണ് എന്താന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ലൗഡ്നെസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, loudness of sound is proportionate to the square of the amplitude of vibration producing the sound. For example, if the amplitude becomes twice, the loudness increases by a factor of 4. Okay, അതായത് ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ് സ്ക്വയർ ആകുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ട്വൈസ് ആകുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് അതിന്റെ ലൗഡ്നെസ് 4 മടങ്ങാവും. ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ് 2 മടങ്ങാകുമ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ ലൗഡ്നെസ് 4 മടങ്ങാവും അർത്ഥം. ഓക്കെ, ലൗഡ്നെസ് ഓഫ് സൗണ്ട് ഈസ് പ്രൊപ്പോർഷനേറ്റ് ടു ദി സ്ക്വയർ ഓഫ് ദി ആംപ്ലിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ഓഫ് വൈബ്രേഷൻ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസിംഗ് ദി sound. Okay, the loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel and its symbol is dB, small letter d and capital letter B. The loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel. What is loudness? The sound of high amplitude is called loudness. Larger the amplitude of vibration, louder is the sound. Okay, this is called amplitude. Okay, the high amplitude means loud sound, and this is a low amplitude. Last class we discussed about amplitude. Okay, this is the high amplitude. The high amplitude here this much amplitude, high amplitude, and here amplitude only this much means the low amplitude. Okay, here the high amplitude means loud sound, and here is the amplitude is very low, that is why here quiet sound. Larger the amplitude of vibration, louder is the sound, and the loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel. Just to remember, loudness is expressed in a unit called decibel, and its symbol is dB. The next one is pitch. The frequency determines the shrillness or pitch of a sound. The frequency determines in the shrillness or pitch of a sound. Last class we discussed about the frequency also. What is frequency? The number of oscillations per second is called the frequency of oscillation. What is frequency? The number of oscillation or vibration per second is called the frequency. The frequency determines the shrillness or pitch of a sound. Different frequencies produce different pitch of sound. Okay, I have given one picture also here, the low pitch and high pitch, or we can say low frequency and high frequency. If the frequency of vibration is high, sound is shrill or high pitch. If the frequency of vibration is low, sound is low. Okay, all of you look at this picture. Here the frequency is high. Correct, no? So the sound is high pitch or sound is shrill. Here the frequency of vibration is lower, sound is low pitch. Just to remember, if the frequency of vibration is higher, the sound is high pitch. Okay, or shrill sound. If the frequency of vibration frequency of vibration is lower, sound is low pitch. Okay, ഇതാണ് the frequency here higher frequency and here low frequency. If the frequency of vibration is high, sound is shrill or high pitch. If the frequency of vibration is lower, sound is low pitch. For example, drum vibrate with a low frequency and it produce low pitch sound. Okay, not a sound, low pitch sound. Drum vibrate with a low frequency. Okay, this is a low frequency. The drum vibrates with a low frequency and it produce low pitch sound. And the roar of lion is also low pitch sound. Okay. But in the case of whistle, has high frequency and produces sound of high pitch. Whistle has a high frequency and produces sound of high pitch. Birds also make high pitch sound because birds have a high frequency. Okay, or birds produces sound of high pitch. That is why birds make high pitch sound. Okay. Whistle has high frequency and produce sound of high pitch. Same as bird has a high frequency and produce sound of high pitch. Okay. ഫ്രീക്വൻസി കൂടുന്നതനുസരിച്ച് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി കൂടുതലാണെങ്കിൽ പിച്ചും കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. ഫ്രീക്വൻസി കുറവാണെങ്കിൽ പിച്ചും കുറവായിരിക്കും. In the case of drum and roar, the frequency is less. That is why it produces low pitch sound. And in the case of whistle and bird, whistle has high frequency or bird has high frequency and it produce sound of high pitch. Okay, അതായത് ലോ ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ആണെങ്കിൽ സൗണ്ടിന്റെ പിച്ച് എന്തായിരിക്കും, കുറവായിരിക്കും. ഹൈ ഫ്രീക്വൻസിയിലാണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ്, പിച്ച് കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. On the basis of the above points, women and children have high pitch sound. Okay, because it's a frequency, or women and children have high frequency and produce sound of high pitch, while men have low pitch sound because men have low frequency. അതായത് ലോ ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും, പിച്ച് കുറവായിരിക്കും. ഹൈ ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ആണെങ്കിൽ പിച്ച് കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഹൈ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ. The next topic is audible and inaudible sound. Sound of frequencies between 20 to 20,000 hertz, or we can say 20 kilohertz. Okay, both are same. Sounds of frequencies between 20 to 20,000 hertz, which can be detected by the human ears. Such sounds are called audible sound. What is audible sound? Sounds of frequencies between 20 to 20,000 hertz, which can be detected by the human ears. Such sounds are called audible sound. Okay. Then second one is inaudible sound. Sounds of frequencies less than 20 vibration per second, or we can say sounds of frequency less than 20 hertz and more than or higher than 20,000 hertz cannot be detected by human ears. Such sounds are called inaudible sound. Okay, just to study this definition. It's a very important definition. Audible and inaudible sound. Sounds of frequencies between 20 to 20,000 hertz or 20 kilohertz. Okay, 20 to 20 kilohertz which can be detected by human ears. Such sounds are called audible sound. Okay. And inaudible sound means sounds of frequencies less than 20 hertz and higher than 20,000 hertz cannot be detected by the human ears. Such sounds are called inaudible sound. Dogs can hear frequencies up to 40,000 hertz, while cats can produce and hear frequencies up to 70,000 hertz. Okay, so just to remember one more points: infrasound and ultrasound. All of you look at this picture also. From this picture, you can clearly understand what is infrasound and ultrasound. Infrasound means the sound is below 20 hertz. Okay, and ultrasound means sound of frequencies, sound of frequencies more than 20,000 hertz. Okay, it's called ultrasound. And infrasound means sounds of frequency less than 20 hertz, and ultrasound means sounds of frequency more than 20,000 hertz. Okay, dear children, thank you.